a standard barnstorming procedure for you today. We have some Limbo. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we have a brand.
Then they also have what they are now calling their secret weapon. The self-raising flower, they think, is actually going to guide itself onto the target. I'm not entirely sure that the self-raising agent is what does that. But here comes Scott for the first attempt, and it was close, but not a hit. Arm out over the side, there it goes. Oh, very, very, very good. James coming in now for his second pass. Lining up with the B2. And a bit late for that one. Now Andy coming in for his last pass on the bombing target, and a bit early there. Scott now coming in for his second pass on the Limbo. He's gone over the first set. Can he get it down without touching the wheels on the ground? Oh, that's looking close. And as Scott goes through on the second set, over the first set of poles. Can he get it down for the second? It's looking good. And through he goes on the second. Height's looking good on the first set. Can he keep it down low enough? Through he goes without touching the wheels, that's good. Can he keep it down low enough for the second set as well? And through he goes, the chipmunk's gone over. Getting it down, height looking good, a little bit of adjustment there. Trying to get it through the hole, and through he goes. Did he touch his undercarriage there? We'll go to the VAR about that one. The elf's looking good, and through he goes, our first clean sweep. Keeping it low, through on the first one. A bit of a waggle there, but again, he's gone over now. That unsettled him. James coming in now for his third pass in the B2. Keeping down low, making sure his wheels don't touch the ground. Keep low, but not too low. And through he goes on the second one as well. Another clean sweep. Looking good. Keep it down low. A bit of jiggling around, and through on the second one as well. And through he goes again.